Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2011 Ford F-150 and I will show you which fuses and relays to check in case your fans are not working and your blower motor is not engaging. This video will apply to Ford F-150s made from 2009 all the way up to 2014. Okay, now if you own a Ford F-150 made from 2011 to 2014, all of the fuses and relays will be located here in the main fuse box under the front hood. But if you own 09 or 2010, there will be still one fuse in a small fuse box in a passenger cabin just next to the passenger's right foot. To lift this cover, you'll have two black tabs. You want to press onto each of them to unlock it and lift up. On the back side of the cover, you have a small fuse diagram. The main blower motor fuse, it's a fuse number 51, located right here in the middle of the fuse box. It's a 40 amp fuse responsible for power to blower motor relay. And the blower motor relay is relay number 3. Located up here. Now the best way to test the relay, just try to replace it with the one of the same kind and see if it makes a difference. If it does, just buy a new relay, they're not too expensive, and replace it. Okay, now there is one more fuse to check actually. If you own Ford F-150 made from 2011 to 2014, you'll want to check fuse number 52, which is a small 5 amp fuse located right here. So this is the one. But if you own 09 or 2010, then you want to check the fuse number 45, which will be located in a small fuse box in a passenger's cabin. Okay, so I will quickly show you that second fuse box will be just here behind this cover, and you want to check fuse number 45. It will also be a 5 amp fuse. Okay, now this is pretty much everything. If all the fuses and the relay are good, you'll have to dig a bit deeper and look towards the blower motor itself. They often like to fail. In case your fan works only on a specific speed, usually the highest, then you want to look at the blower motor resistor. And if all checks out, then you want to check all the electrical connections and the wiring. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.